Heavy metal carnage, one bot slammed into oblivion. Impact shakes the arena. That's the final strike. Clash in the arena, metal screams. One bot gets battered, final hit explodes.
Backwards flying. Like that. More. Yeah, it got split. Much more durable as well. Back in there. Oh my goodness. My gosh. And once again, that shot, the explosion, peak unbelievable pictures.
It was right in front of me.
That's a knockout. Sparks, chaos, and the most destructive finish yet.
Oh my gosh! What a shot! Ghost Raptors in Raptor pits! Unbelievable! 80s going end to end. Although I don't think, but now it looks pretty much like Legos.